Hello, dear boss. We are Chouwent Outdoor Furniture, a very big outdoor furniture factory in Foshan City, Guangdong Province. We have a very big showroom in our factory, more than 1,500 square meters. Now, I will introduce this classic chair and table set. This is the aluminum and PE lantern rope chair. You can see this is a very good design. When sit on it, you can feel very comfortable. Yes, very comfortable. This is the HPL table and the tabletop made of HPL. The base made of cast aluminum and it is foldable. This chair and table set we will display in the Canton Fair on October 23 to 27 in Guangzhou. Welcome to our booth. You will have very good experience.